Hi, I'm Miki Tebeka. Here at Ardan Labs, we created this series of short videos, each of them showing a cool feature of the Go language or one of the libraries. Enjoy! In this short, we're going to talk about the new omitzero JSON flag. So, for a long time, we had omitempty, telling the JSON package that when the value is empty, we don't want to send it over the wire. So this saves us bytes if we have it. So in our case, we have a LogQuery with start time, end time, and a level, and I'm creating one which just has the level. And I'm marshalling it to JSON and printing it out. Now, if I'm going to run this one, you're going to see that the times are there even though they're basically empty, because the time is a struct and this is not considered empty by Go. If you're going to make the string empty, and we're going to start with our debugging, you see JSON now omits the level field because it is empty. So what Go 124 added is another way of doing that. And what we can do is we can replace the empty with 0. And omit 0 means omit the 0 value. And if you're going to run this one now, this is what we expect, just to see the level, and both the times which are not specified are excluded from the output. And how does Go know if something is 0 or not? It looks for a function, the way the time implements it, called IsZero, which returns a Boolean value.